Do you lose track of which finger goes over and which finger goes under when you're practicing your two-octave scales? In this lesson, we're talking about how to practice scales on the piano. More importantly, how to play scales 2 octaves on the piano and stop making mistakes in 2021. There are a few simple tricks so you will never ever be confused, and you'll be able to identify those mistakes before they happen when you're playing your scales 2 octaves on the piano. For those of you who are up for a little bit of a challenge, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video for a little up-leveling of your scales. The first way how to play scales on the piano and stop making mistakes for 2021 is 3-4-3-4 fingering. Every time I play a 3 or a 4, I'm actually going to stop on that note and then continue on. 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3. To take a deeper dive into today's lesson, check the link below for interactive lessons. This includes all the music to download so you can practice with me. Remember to keep your hands nice and naturally round. Let your wrists do the leading when you're playing your scales, and think rotation, think nice and round. Let's try the same thing with our left hand. Every time I play the finger 3 or my finger 4, I'm going to stop. 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. The best way if you want to know how to play your scales on the piano and stop making mistakes for 2021, especially when you are playing multi-octave scales, there is one trick. Now, here is the spot that seems to really give people a lot of confusion, and really what you need to do is what I call spot practicing. Start with your 4th finger on B, right hand, 1st finger on C, a 2nd finger on D, and try this a couple times until you feel comfortable with this. Want to start learning piano right now? Click the link below to get started with your first free lessons. What are you waiting for? If you make a mistake, don't tense up. It's okay. In your left hand, put the 2nd finger on B, 1st finger on C, and 4th finger on D. And again, try this a couple times until you feel comfortable. We have that same sticky pattern again. This time for the right hand, we're going to start with D, descending, 2nd finger on D, thumb on C, and then cross over 4 on B. Try that a couple times until you feel comfortable. When your thumb passes underneath your 4th finger, just about here, remember to let your wrist do the walking. Try the same thing in your left hand, same spot. This time we're going to start 4th finger on D, thumb on C, moving down to 2nd finger on B. Try that a couple times till it feels nice and smooth and comfortable. This time we're going to play both hands together, but when we come across that transition from one octave to the next, we're going to stop and start again. 4 in your right hand, 2 in your left hand. 2 in your right hand, 4 in your left hand. 1, 4 in your right hand, 2 in your left hand. Remember, it's not about how fast you can play your tempos. It's more about the accuracy, playing evenly, and more importantly, doing it in a very relaxed way, and of course, having some fun. I'll see you at your next lesson. Need a simple daily music journal, notebook, assignment, or composition book? We've got you covered. I am so excited to share all things musical with you, and I can't wait to help you start designing your best daily music practice plan. Be sure to check out these 2 videos and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. And I will see you at your next lesson. And don't forget, start making music happen.